Hello, smart kids. Welcome back to Smart Kids Learn Business. Today we're learning a big word, investment. It sounds like something only adults talk about, right? But guess what? Kids can understand investment too and even start thinking like investors. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is investment? Imagine you have $10. You can spend it all on candy or use it to buy something that helps you make more money later. If you choose the second option, that's called investment. So here's a simple definition. Investment means using your money, time, or effort now to get something bigger or better later. It's like planting a seed. You don't get fruit immediately, but after some time, you get a big tree full of fruit. That's how investment works. A simple example, let's say Adora buys 10 lemons for $10. She makes lemonade and sells each cup for $20. If she sells 10 cups, she makes $200. She started with $10, now she has $200. That extra money she made, that's called profit. And the $10 she used to buy lemons, that was her investment. See, not scary at all. Investment is about waiting. Here's something important. Investment is not about getting money fast. It's about being patient and thinking smart, waiting for growth. Imagine planting corn. You don't shout at the soil to grow faster. No, you water it. You wait. You take care of it. Investing is the same thing. You can invest more than money. Did you know? Money is not the only thing you can invest. You can invest your time. When you study hard, you are investing in your future. One day, that knowledge can help you start a business, get a great job, invest something amazing too. Your talent. When you practice football every day, you're investing in your skill. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be like Victor Osimhen or Assisat Oshola 3. Your savings. When you save money in your piggy bank instead of spending it immediately, you're preparing to invest later. Smart kids don't just spend, they think ahead. Good investment versus bad investment. Not every investment is smart. Let us compare. Bad investment. You use all your savings to buy a toy that breaks tomorrow. No profit, no growth, money gone. Good investment. You use your savings to buy materials to make bracelets, start a small snack stand, buy books that teach you business. Now your money can grow. Smart investors ask, will this grow? Will this help me earn later? Is this worth waiting for? The power of small investments. Here's the secret. You don't need to be rich to invest. Even small amounts matter. If you save $5 every week in 1 month, that's $20 in 1 year. That's a lot more. Small seeds grow into big trees. Many successful people started small. Even big companies like Amazon started as small businesses. Big things grow from small beginnings. Why should kids learn about investment? Because when you understand investment, you don't waste money carelessly. You think about the future. You become confident. You learn and say you become a young entrepreneur. And remember, entrepreneurs don't just spend money. They make money work for them. Quick fun quiz time. Let's see if you understand. If Ton uses his birthday money to A, buy sweets immediately, buy art supplies and sell drawings, which one is investment? Yes, option B. You're getting smarter already. Final message, smart kids. Investment is not about being old. It's about being wise. It means plant now, wait patiently, grow later. The earlier you understand investment, the brighter your future becomes. One day, you might start a big company, maybe even bigger. Fandango Group closing. Cheerful music. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with other smart kids. This is Smart Kids Learn Business, where smart kids grow into smart leaders. See you in the next video.